Welcome to Cooking with Bob. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesesteak stromboli. I'll include my dough recipe in the show notes, but you can buy a dough ball from your grocery store, or you can get frozen bread loaves and thaw them and use half for each stromboli. So this is shaved beef steaks. I get these at Weis. I use two 12-ounce packages, 6 ounces for each stromboli. It cooks up very well. Make sure you drain it when you're done. I like mine with fried onions, and I cook up some sauce to serve on the side. So you're going to stretch out the dough into a rectangular shape. You're going to put down the steak meat, you're going to put down your onions, you're going to put down your cheese, and then you are going to roll it up jelly roll fashion. Tuck in the ends, roll up. Make sure the seam is on the bottom. Place them on a greased baking pan, and a nice egg wash will turn them brown. Make sure you provide some vent holes because it will get pretty steamy inside. I like mine with a nice Caesar salad and a cold beverage and sauce on the side. Hey, I'd appreciate it if you'd like the video. Make a comment if you have a question. Share the video with your friends. I'll see you next time.